This 2018 Jayco Greyhawk Prestige 30 XP is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 7, TV, water heater, leveling jacks, awning, slide-out, oven, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features full wall slide, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2018 Jayco Greyhawk Prestige 30 XP is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.